Hello and welcome to a review of all the new features and updates on the EKM platform for September. Now these new features aim to help make it easier for you as an EKM shop owner, all with the aim to help you sell more. So the first feature released in September is that you can now add videos to your products. So these will display on your product pages within the add/edit product window. So if you have a YouTube channel for your EKM shop, you can easily link your videos to your product pages so customers can see how your products look and how they can be used or worn. Now this is really useful to demonstrate the key features of your products and even an opportunity to cross-sell. So this means that showing them other products that may go well with the one they are viewing. So definitely make sure you're using this new feature to increase your cart conversions. Now another great feature that came to the EKM platform during September was our brand new integration with Xero, an accounting software company. This is now live for all EKM shop owners, so you can sync all your EKM invoices with your Xero account, saving you both time and money. Now another way Xero can help you manage the accounting side of your EKM online shop is by using automatic bank reconciliation. So this actually reduces data entry and saving you valuable hours otherwise spent on administration. Another great feature is allowing you to remain connected using your phone and the Xero mobile account app, so you can manage it on the go. Also syncing with a range of third-party apps, and finally streamlining your payroll process. So using Xero helps you to manage your accounting quickly, removing the need for piles of paperwork and hours spent chasing unpaid invoices. So you can read more about our Xero integration or any of our EKM features by heading to support.ekm.com, where Eve has kindly written up some really useful information. And that's basically everything for September's platform update review. As always, we will have more features coming to the EKM platform this month, so make sure you are following us across our social media platforms so that you're the first to hear about them. Now you can also view previous month's platform updates if you're interested in them by visiting the link down in the description or our profile bio. That's everything. Thank you very much for watching.